What are LAN file transfer apps?
LAN file transfer apps allow you to send files between computers, phones, or tablets using your local network. This means you don't need the internet, just a Wi-Fi network or Ethernet connection. These apps are perfect for sharing photos, videos, or documents quickly and securely inside your home or office, keeping your data local and private.
How LAN file transfers work.
When two devices are connected to the same local network, LAN file transfer apps help them communicate directly. Files are sent over your router, not the internet. Many apps use SIMPI scanning, QR codes, or device discovery features to quickly find other devices on your network, making the sharing process fast, easy, and free from outside connections.
Popular apps for LAN file sharing.
Send Anywhere, Feem, Snapdrop, and Dukto are popular choices for local file transfers. These apps work on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. Most require installing software on both devices. Snapdrop and Feem offer web-based interfaces for even easier sharing. All transfer files only within your network, so there's no risk of uploading to the internet.
Step-by-step sharing files using LAN apps.
Install your chosen app on both devices and connect them to the same Wi-Fi or LAN. Open the app on both devices. Select the file you wish to send and choose the receiving device from the list. Confirm the transfer on the other device. With no data limits or upload speed restrictions, LAN transfer is often much faster than cloud-based options.
Tips for secure and efficient transfers.
To keep your files safe, always use trusted apps and double-check network connections. Some apps have built-in encryption for added security. Close or disable the app when not in use, especially on shared networks. For the best speeds, connect devices via Ethernet or ensure a strong Wi-Fi signal. LAN file transfer is a secure, private alternative to cloud sharing.